So for the past few hours, that's 2 hours ago, yeah, this particular video had very few views. It was around 5, then it came to 7. Yeah, so it stayed at 7 for 2 hours and more. Now about 10 minutes ago, I went to the YouTube studio, then I refreshed. It jumped to 143. I refreshed again, it jumped to 155. I refreshed again, then 159. Now look at something. It is now 159, right? 247. Okay, let me refresh again and see. 251. Let me try again. Okay, it is not moving again. Few minutes later, I'll come and refresh again, and then we will see something. Let me try again. 253. So YouTube is dashing out views for free, and you need to claim some. Yes, you need to claim some. Okay, all you need to do is to follow what I'm going to teach you and have some patience to wait for some few hours. This is not the only one that I have done. I did some is it 2 or 3 days ago. Let me show you this one, and I got 1.7k views. Okay, it is now 1.8k views. Yeah, 1.8k. I did another one, but that one did not pick well, so I got 178. Well, it's okay. Now let's talk about this. YouTube is dashing out free views, and these views are short views, the short form of video views. So how this goes is very simple. Now let me make this clear before we continue. You know, YouTube monetization deals with 1k subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million short views in the past 90 days. So it's either you go for 4,000 watch hours or 10 million short views in the past 90 days. So whichever one of them that you get plus the 1k subscribers, you are good to go. So these views, mind you, these views does not count towards that 4,000 watch hours, but then it can help you to get visibility, because the number of people who will watch your shorts, they will keep getting constant notifications of your videos in their news feed or in their feed, so that if they like it, they will tap on it to watch. So your visibility broadens or it widens. So this is a very good advantage for you to get more audience, you know. So let's get straight into it to learn how we are going to do this. Now 273 views. So without wasting much time, we are getting straight into it. Now let me use this to teach you. Mind you, before you do this, your niche in which you are, find content creators who are bigger than you, very bigger than you, you know. So like I am teaching how to make it on YouTube, how to get subscribers, watch hours, and how to get views. So a bigger YouTube channel that is in my niche, I will say vidIQ, yeah. So myself, for instance, if you are in my niche, you can go to vidIQ, their page, or their channel. Then you find their short videos, a short video that's doing very well. Then you collaborate with that particular video. Yeah. So how to do the collaboration goes this way. So follow this video and get it. You can collaborate with other channels that are bigger than you, then you get more views on YouTube. There's a new feature on YouTube. So let's get straight into this. So you tap on that plus sign, then you go to collab. Once you get to collab, you hit on the next button down there. After it loads, YouTube allows you to record yourself, whether using your front camera or your back camera as you desire. So I recorded just a white space. This was just for a tutorial. So you can even just keep quiet for the other video to do the talking, then you just watch or you do any other thing. Once you are done, you hit on the button, the red button down there for it to be saved. Then you go to next. When you go to next, you give it a caption. I'm setting this one to private. I don't want to post it yet because I'm using this for a tutorial. You can also add a related video to it, so that when people are watching, they can watch the related video so that you get more views there too. You upload it, then you are good to go. That's it. So whatever views that come out of this video comes to you, and because the other channel is bigger than yours and you're collaborating with that channel, you're going to get more views from there. Try this and let's see. Get back to my channel and comment and let me see whether it went well or not. Don't forget to subscribe as I give more YouTube growth tips. Like the video as well. I hope this is something very simple to do. So do this right now. Whatever niche you are, find the big boys and big girls in your niche. Then go to their shorts. Then do this. When you do that, please wait for some hours. The first one that I did, I waited for more than, it was 17 hours. Yeah, after the 17th hour, then it started picking. The second one I did, it started picking right there. But it got 170 plus views. Now this one too, it started picking up after 2 hours. I am now at, let's see, 284 views. So do this and please give it some time. Sometimes even on top of the views that you get subscribers too. Please make sure you find someone in your niche, else you are going to get viewers who are not in your niche. So the YouTube will push your videos to them, your long form videos to them in their feed, and they will bypass it. So find those in your niche and do this, and you are going to get some views. In my other video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate with other big channels in your niche using your long form videos. If you're interested to learn this, subscribe to my channel and let's get going. Thank you.